Hi and welcome to Projects and Things. My name's Yves. For this project video, I'm going to show you what I made for my Secret Santa. In this project, we're going to show my Secret Santa gift for a guy who lives nearby who's a graphic designer. The rules of the game are you have to make everything yourself, obviously, and you can only spend 15 euros. So I pulled up some scrap material and I bought a few things. The two things I bought are a small LED light and these 5 letters that are stickers that are going to spell out the word designer. Scraps I have are a piece of power wire to give power, some tape, milky plexiglass, piece of MDF, and 2 pieces of plywood. One scrap piece that's very thin and a scrap piece that's a little bit taller. That's what we're going to use. So now I have all the 45-degree angle cuts for the box, and I have to make 2 lines in here in which the plexiglass is going to fit. So I basically raised the blade on my table saw a tiny bit, and I'm going to run these over and cut out a groove all the way around so I can squeeze the thing. You get it. So now I have 2 grooves cut. I have a thin one for the plexiglass and a thicker one which is going to have the backer board, which is made from a thicker piece of plywood. That's the second side. That's basically going to be the outside. And on the inside, we're going to put a light and a backer board. I drilled a tiny hole in the side, which is going to give room for the power plug to come through. Let's test the light first. Haha! Boom! Now all these pieces are connected with tape from the back, and we're going to glue up this project. Then we add the plexiglass, and I'm going to try and take the nicest side out front. So I'm going to try and be very careful to glue this as straight as humanly possible on there. And voila, the light is on. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I'm going to drive it over to my Secret Santa tomorrow and drop the package. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you like these things I do, then please consider subscribing. There should be a button down here to do so. You can also watch some films over here that are all about other things that I made. Until next time, thank you, bye.